Hello guys, Steve here, NRC, and with the TAMIYA Super Avante. This is going to be a GPS speed test again. I got the same, I got the same battery, a 2S5400 25C Venom LiPo, and I got the 17 turn 550 Red Cat motor. And I upped the tooth on the pinion to 21 tooth. I think it was 17 last time, or it may have been 18, I'm not sure. The speed was only 18.7 miles an hour. So we're gonna see what it does really quick. Let me get this all on and put the GPS meter on. Alright guys, I have the GPS meter on. Last time she went 18.7 miles an hour. I forgot my body clip, so I taped the front one on to hold the body down. So we're gonna see how fast this goes now. Let's see. Oh, it still looks slow. Hey, it's not that bad. 20.6, that ain't that bad. I think that'll feel good off-road. Try it one more time. Give it a nice long run. Feels like something's slipping. Yep. It's like the diffs. I think they have to be tighter. They're starting to slip. That's not good. Power. See how long it takes to go off? Let's see what she does. Look at that, guys. 21.3. Let's go one more time. Yeah, my diffs have to be tight. I can feel them. I think this has the ball diffs. It's really loosened up. More work for this thing. Well, top that beauty out at 21.3, so that ain't that bad. Alright guys, I think I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not going to go off-roading today because it's damp from it rained, and if I go in that ball field it'll make a mess, so I'm not doing that. So I'm going to leave this setup in here with the 21 tooth pinion gear with the 550 17 turn motor from the Red Cat Racing Company, and I'm going to leave that in there, and if I take it off-road next time and it burns out, then I'm going to have another motor up my sleeve, and I'll have to see if that ever comes. Then you'll see what that motor is. But I'm going to be using them motors in another TAMIYA soon, so stay tuned. But if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you're new watching, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss notifications. Now, Super Avante has more problems. I'll have to tighten up those diffs. Let's see it again, guys. Oh, no good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Yeah, that's bad. That's not good. More work. Damn thing's always on the bench.